Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Cyclone TV. So Skymet Weather has given a latest update. Cyclonic storm Amphan to form in the Bay of Bengal soon may spare Indian coast. Indian seas go on watch for stormy weather during pre-monsoon. The season as such commences in March to last till June, but April and May remain favorite for storm formation. March more often gives a miss as only 4 feeble storms are formed in the last 20 years. May stands double the chance of April for storm formation in either of the basins, that's the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. The year 2019 saw 9 storms in the Indian Seas and Pawan was the last storm in December 2019 in the Arabian Sea. The naming of storms in the Indian Seas started in 2004. 8 countries around the Indian Ocean rim in the northern hemisphere prepared 8 lists contributing 8 names each. The respective countries are Bangladesh, India, Maldives, Myanmar, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Thailand. The first named storm Anil formed in the Arabian Sea between September 30 to October 10, 2004, threatening the Gujarat coast. As for your extra information, I am saying that the name Anil was given by Bangladesh. Out of the 64 names generated in the first lot, 63 have been used and the last in the list, Amphan, named by Thailand, is waiting in the wings to be used shortly. Pawan was named by Sri Lanka. After this, the fresh list is likely to come up for the ongoing cyclone season. The fresh list has already been done. Okay. The Bay of Bengal is taking the lead and preparing to host the first storm of the season anytime soon. A cyclonic circulation is forming in the North Andaman Sea on the 28th of April. This will get organized and induce a low pressure on April 29th over the same region. Subsequently, the system will move northwestward and intensify into a depression or a deep depression on May 1st. The system will be strengthening further to a cyclonic storm on May 2nd while lying over the southeast and adjoining south-central Bay of Bengal. Here, the storm will start moving northward, initially intensify further to severe cyclonic storm and recur to head for Myanmar and Bangladesh. The oceanic conditions seem to be favorable for the first storm of the season. MJO or Madden-Julian Oscillation will be in phase 3 over the Indian Ocean till May 5th, albeit with reducing amplitude but adequate to stimulate the convective activity further. This is a Madden-Julian Oscillation Index forecast for 26th April to 10th May. You can see it. Also, the SST or sea surface temperature is in excess of 30 degrees, supporting enough heat potential over the entire area of influence of storm. Another factor favoring the growth and sustenance of the weather system is low to moderate vertical wind shear. This is the current Indian Ocean weather temperature map, as you can see it right here. The inception stage of the storm is going to cause copious rains and strong winds over the entire chain of Bay Islands. The maiden cyclone Amphan is likely to remain at a safe distance from the mainland. Initial track prediction suggests it to be heading for Myanmar and Bangladesh anytime around May 4, 2020. So you can see the pictures of Amphan as it is forecasted. So it was the latest update from Skymet Weather. So keep watching our channel for the latest updates on Cyclone Amphan. Keep your family safe during this COVID-19 pandemic and be safe. Thank you.